Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben!
from bullionnow.com.au, bring you something slightly unusual. A bit of a combination between the Germania Mint and the Royal Mint.
A collaborative effort. It's good to see.
That's the rumour. I'm not sure why I opened that one because that one looks like it was already open.
Because it wouldn't be an unboxing otherwise, you just have to make sure you cut at least something.
Is that what it is? So these are the beautiful new Odin bars.
Excited to get these through. As we said, a collaborative effort between the Royal Mint and Germania.
The level of detail on these is incredible. I'm actually going to hurry this along because I want to have a look at this in the 10-ounce version because I reckon that will really pop. But you've got Odin there on his throne with his two dogs whose names are?
I think it's Gary and Frecky or something like that.
I can't remember either, so that's okay, but it sounds right. But someone will correct us in the chat,
That's
undoubtedly. So, and I love the way, obviously being Germania Mint, where they've actually taken almost the design of the coin out into the packaging as well.
Well, that's it. I think that's very much their responsibility is the packaging there, and the design is by Dan Thorne of the Royal Mint, who's I think the one responsible for the most recent Britannia.
Oh, there you go.
So yeah,
You're doing your research on this one, haven't you?
trying to catch up on some of that.
Good stuff. And then on the back, it's fairly simplistic, but I actually think it really pops. So you've got the Royal Mint emblem there, 1 ounce, 4 nines, fine silver, and then this beautiful little threading, I don't know, whatever we call this, along the bottom. So stunning design, looks great in the 1 ounce. Let's have a look at it in the 10 ounce because I think this is where it's going to be, if I can work out how to open the box. Here we go. This is more like it. Have a look at that. So yeah, you can see they've taken the 1 ounce design and really made it pop into the 10 ounce. This is actually a really good example of where I talk about going for the larger planchet, how you can draw that detail out. So even though it's the same design, I'm going to use the word cluttered, and it's not fair because it's not cluttered, but it actually removes some of that clutter out of the cramping out of the 1 ounce design, and it just allows it to really pop out. So the threading on the bottom of his clothing there, almost the facial expressions of the dogs, the detail in these columns and walls behind him.
It feels a little bit more compressed on the 1 ounce, and so that's it. You really get the texture shine through on the 10 ounce there.
Yeah, so it's a beautiful bar in that larger size. Not that it's not beautiful in the 1 ounce, but that larger planchet size just allows it to really draw out. So, and then again, you've got this patterning into the packaging, and then over the page, the same Bullion Now colouring.
not licensed as such.
That's right.
We're not Cadbury with our colour purple.
Yeah, that's right. So weight and purity again on the top, as we saw on the 1 ounce, and then the same basic design on the back, which, like I said, particularly with this dragon threading on the bottom there, just really makes it draw out and pop. So a winning design by both the Germania Mint and Perth Mint. Am I going to get into trouble for that one? Germania Mint and the Royal Mint there. A beautiful design. Available while stocks last. We do have very limited stocks of these. So
there is slightly more than what's sitting on the table there, but no, we do not have heaps and heaps of them. So if you're interested, I'd be acting sooner rather than later.
That's the one. That's it for now. We will talk again very, very soon. See ya.